Let's talk about tip shaving. It's back.
I got an email like right before this. They're sending. Okay, what I sent you before. We can't talk about it.
No, but we can talk about this.
Okay, so Uber shaving tips again. Look out. Yep, look out. Of course, look out. This I get a lot. And he goes, Sergio, this is from a viewer. Sergio, I've attached a few screenshots this morning. Uber sent me a reservation for $52.89. Of course, I gladly accepted this trip. This is an X trip, Uber X. The rider tipped me $15.83. The total trip should have been $68.82. Well, look at this, Chris. How
Good
convenient.
Good math, but it didn't happen, did it?
No, it didn't. He got $56.67, so $12.15 was short. He goes like, okay, instead of me receiving 50, instead I received 56.67. I'm not genius. Yes, you are. To accept that trip. That was like great trip.
21 and a half miles, 32 minutes. For
I mean, all day long, right? I'm not a genius, but the math up seems like I'm about $12.15 short on this one. They said $12.15 was the service fee. Look at the right-hand screenshot, people. What does that service fee say, Chris?
$12.15.
How ironic. Identical.
Huh.
Are you people running into this? Huh? Come on. Send them to me, please. I'm telling you, bro. I swear to God. And when they do this, right? As a company, if you're saying that you don't know this is happening, but I know it's happening, there is something very wrong with the picture. Right?
Yeah. I mean, so basically they're like, oh, you got $15, you got almost $16 tip. Well, we're going to take 75% of that. Thank you.
How the F? Anyway, to which I politely informed the representative, and this poor driver called Uber's black hole support, to which I politely informed the representative that service fees should come out before upfront offer is sent to the driver. Absolutely, sir. Yep. Here you go. After 75 minutes on the phone, as opposed to driving and making more money, and a couple of hours of messages, they made an exception and gave me the $12.15. Exactly. Not more, not less, but the $12.15 that they jibbed. Uber.
I'm sorry. Like 75 minutes of engaged time. That's 75 minutes of engaged time. I should have gotten $32. And what's 25% of 32? $6. So I should have gotten an extra $38 because I was stuck on the phone for them to say, "Oh, we fucked up and we pay you back."
Well, you know, we have watched that video that we're not supposed to watch, and you know how they do that.
Yeah.
Anyway, so this driver at least chased the money. This is one guy that's smart enough, figured it out. He goes like, you know what? I want my money.
You're right, Eric. And it is W and an L at the same time. 100%.
Yeah, I know. But look, at least he got his money back after 75 minutes. Now, but for each smart viewer of Show Me the Money like this, who takes screenshots of everything, which all of you know already, and 10,000 of you watching later. If he didn't, Chris, would he catch this? And how many drivers were not quick enough to figure, wait a minute, my upfront were 56, you know, the person tipped me 15, 16, it should be like 6, 7, or whatever, 52, it's about 60, 70 bucks. I got only 56, 67, what's up? A lot of drivers probably go like, I'm happy with 56, or maybe something happened. However, without going into too much detail, Uber says it was a glitch. It was a bug. That's their word, not mine. Bug.
I have a bug. Was it a stomach bug?
I don't know. It's a tip shaving bug.
I'm going to eat your tip bug.
This is happening quite a bit.
Well, here's Here's the thing.
I look like a
we need a
dumb
quick
dumbass,
refresher
bro.
for our drivers in the audience that are watching, especially a lot of the new drivers that are watching. What, Sergio, are the screenshots that we should be screenshotting on every single ride that we're taking? Because there's
Incoming
multiple
ping.
screenshots. Yep.
Incoming ping for sure. Incoming ping. Once you accept the trip and you finish the trip, the summary of the trip, those you have on your app already. But even if you do not accept the trip, you need to take a screenshot of all trips. I know it's difficult. I do it on my phone. It's quite easy. It's just like a swipe, hand gesture. It takes it. But please just practice it. You got to take the ping screenshot, because on the ping screenshot is where all the shenanigans are going to happen. They're going to present you an upfront fare. Okay. And when the trip ends, and if that changes, you're going to go, well, I have no proof that I remember it was $50, but then I have no proof. You got to take a screenshot of the ping. The rest is easy. When the trip ends, it's on your phone anyway. You can take a screenshot of that anytime. But you got to do math now, because this driver was smart and he got his money back. And Uber says it was a bug. They're fixing it. It was on reservations only. I'm like, how many millions of reservations are going on? I'm not even sure. How is it that all these things are happening, and why are they happening to a technology company? I don't know. Okay.
I don't know. There's definitely a lot of bugs that are going on when they're a tech company and not a transportation company.
That's what they got to do. Take screenshots of everything. Otherwise, when you go to black hole support.
Sergio, remind me, what does a TNC stand for again?
Huh?
What is the
Oh, you have something else for it? Okay, well, I'm going to say the actuality. The transport network company.
Yep. They want to be the technology
network.
But the problem is, you know, they're like, we're not a transportation company, we're a technology company. But the problem is, the laws all across the states say TNC, and it says transportation network company, and they assume that position. So they're already saying yes, we're a transportation company. So
taxi network company, taxi cab with an app. Okay, look, let's not go into too far. I mean, look, Uber says they're fixing it. Please send me these if you have these on any trip. Forget about reserved, UberX, whatever, bro. If you see your tips gone, please send them to me, because that's illegal. Seriously, totally goddamn illegal. Okay, so yeah.
Yep. So, well, keep us informed. They said that they are going to fix that, which is a good thing. It shouldn't happen in the first place, but you know, unfortunately, some bug comes and takes it. So
we had this on prior trips before. We had this on Uber Black trips, who are getting the tip shaved. I mean, we had this so many times, Uber. I mean, you're almost like looking for these things. Just come on, man. You know.
I think they have like a list. I think they have like a spreadsheet that they just say, okay, what bug can we put in today? Let's like do it every so often, and then that way the money that's not collected, let's just claim that for a little bit. We'll get the percentage off that, and then we'll give it back.
Yeah, I guess.
I mean, when you're talking again, fractions of a penny, do that billions of times, you know, it adds up. So
business. That's the business they're running. Anyway, so we're on top of it. Don't worry, people.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club, with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.